What we're going to be doing today is making a homemade slingshot, like this one I have here. And let's get to it. Okay, so what you need is a PVC pipe, a saw blade, a handsaw, scissors, duct tape, and a balloon. What you need to do first, you don't have to have one of these or one of these. So what you need to do is just set it right in here, or you can have someone hold it. Doesn't matter. Okay, then what you need to do is take this. See how long you want it. You want it about at least like this long, as long as like a toilet paper roll. So I'm just gonna make it about like right at this number sign. Okay, so right here. Okay, and then take your handsaw and put it right in that edging spot. If I can even get it down in there. Okay, once you have that part right there, like you can see through it, just keep going until you get through the whole entire thing. And make sure you push when you're sawing it. And hold on like right here. Almost through it. Okay, and then put the cover back on your handsaw. But if you don't have a cover, that's fine. Just set that off to the side because you won't be needing the saws anymore. And then take this off. Set that aside. Okay, and then take your PVC pipe. Now if it's like this, all like rugged and everything, just if you have like one of these, or you can take some sandpaper. I prefer one of these. And turn it on. And this is your safety thing up here. Make sure you have one of these or glasses. Make sure these edges are all smooth, like that. They don't have to be really smooth, but get all the stuff off. Okay. Then, if it's like crooked like this is, it doesn't really matter. Just take the flat side and okay. And then what you want to do is take your balloon, get all the stuff off of it, and then set this up, and then just put this straight over it, like as tight as you can go. Make sure it's really tight too. So then you can just pinch it and grab it. Okay. Then take your tape off of it. Take your tape on the end first. You can have any colored tape. It don't have to be this. Or you don't even have to put tape on it. It'll shoot just like this. But I'm using tape just because it looks better. You can use any kind of tape. It don't really matter. So then you just pull this off here. You got that much off, and then just find the edge, like right on the edge. Just pull it out more. Just tape all the way around it. And just keep going all the way up. And if your like balloon rips or something, you can always just cut it like right at the end of the tape and then just replace it. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff from that saw. Okay, just keep going all the way around. Okay, so you get right up to the top, and then right on the edge, just leave a little bit more and cut it, or you can just pull it right off. It works both ways. Just make sure it's all on there. And then what you got there is a homemade slingshot. So we are going to go see how it works. Let's go. Here outside, I got a target set up. It's not really good right now, but I'm gonna try to hit it. So what you need is like just like any kind of BBs, maybe rocks or something. I got metal BBs. Like I got a whole thing right here. I got more inside, but this is what I got for like taking around. And then they're just like little metal things, BB things. You can use anything you want. I'd say BBs for like hunting, if you're gonna go hunting with this, which I don't know why you would, but you just gotta get it onto your fingers. Okay. You can put a laser or anything you want on this just so it's easier. But, oh, I missed. That's pretty much how it works, you know. I'm going to try to hit this target. Kind of hard to get these BBs, but after a while, after you keep using it, it'll make like a little tiny hole thing where you keep grabbing, and that's where you can usually grab it from. It gets easier and easier as you use it. I've only been using it for one day, so it's getting easier though. Much, much easier. I didn't think that one shot. I jumped. Okay. But that's pretty much all.
That only hit the target.
I'm gonna try one more time. Okay.
Leave it.
So it just went straight through the paper. But that's pretty much all. I gotta work on my aim though. I'm trying to find my laser. I got a laser. I want to put it on, but I can't find it. I looked through all my stuff. I just bought it yesterday. And I'm sure that's all. Subscribe.